What if parrots couldn't fly and only came out at night? Meet the Kakapo, the world's only flightless, nocturnal parrot. It waddles instead of flying, and it's covered in fluffy green feathers. Found only in New Zealand, this chunky bird smells like flowers, which sadly helps predators find it faster. But guess what? There are only around 250 Kakapos left on Earth. Each one is named, tracked, and part of a rescue mission. They freeze when scared, not the best survival tactic. But they're full of personality and even make booming mating calls. This bird story is both tragic and inspiring. The Kakapo is a real-life plush toy,